The 2027 BMW i4 is entering one of the biggest transitions in BMW history. But while the upcoming Neue Klasse replacement sounds exciting, many current owners are already exposing the frustrating realities hiding behind the sleek styling and electric performance promises. Cabin compromises. The biggest complaint starts with packaging problems caused by the shared gas car platform underneath the current i4. Rear passengers deal with a bulky center tunnel, stealing valuable foot space, making the backseat feel tighter than many dedicated electric rivals already on sale. Another surprising disappointment is the missing front trunk. Open the hood expecting extra storage, and you only find plastic covers hiding mechanical components. Competing EVs use that area creatively, but the i4 wastes space buyers naturally expect in modern electric vehicles. Inside the cabin, BMW's futuristic design also creates daily usability frustrations. Climate controls are buried deep inside touchscreen menus, forcing drivers to tap through glossy screens just to adjust temperature, fan speed, or heated seat settings during regular commuting. Charging frustrations. Charging performance looks impressive on paper, but real-world experiences tell a different story. Many owners report inconsistent DC fast charging sessions, where chargers suddenly disconnect, reduce charging speeds early, or completely fail to communicate properly with the vehicle's software systems. Software bugs add another layer of irritation for long-term ownership. After major over-the-air updates, some drivers experience frozen infotainment screens, random smartphone disconnects, navigation glitches, and driver profile settings mysteriously resetting without warning during normal everyday use. Even the aerodynamic flush door handles become annoying over time. They may look futuristic and clean, but many drivers complain the awkward grip design feels unnatural, especially during rainy weather or when quickly trying to unlock the car with full hands. Expensive ownership. The i4's massive battery weight creates expensive wear and tear concerns that many buyers underestimate. Performance trims like the M60 produce instant torque capable of destroying costly rear tires surprisingly quickly, with some owners replacing performance rubber before reaching 20,000 miles. Brake systems also develop strange low-speed squeaks because regenerative braking handles most stopping duties. Since physical brake pads are rarely used aggressively, surface rust and glazing can develop over time, creating noises that make the car feel less refined than expected. The harsh reality is that the current A4 feels like a transitional product caught between gasoline engineering and BMW's true electric future. That is exactly why the upcoming Neue Klasse replacement matters so much for BMW's long-term EV credibility. If you enjoyed this honest breakdown of the 2027 BMW i4 problems and future replacement plans, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your opinion below about whether BMW should completely abandon the current A4 platform.